Yeah.
Gee, so you didn't expect anything. It's very nice.
Hard work. And you hold on a minute. Up the field, down the field now, so she can get the wind behind her. Okay. So she comes back for the law. I get it off you. There we go. No, I know. I can go back. Oh, you've got hold of the string of them. There we go. Okay. I get hold of that. Because most of the time, falcons, because of the speeds they're going, actually, you go back down there. Back up there. The speeds they're going, they just haven't got the brakes to stop in time. I mean, you couldn't really do that with the Tarragon thing. But that's why she was trained for a film job. She actually had to fly in a studio. And so, there we are. That's the bed here. It was actually bred by a friend of ours in Nottingham, I think it was. And he was actually paid good money for this thing, to be a husband for Sheba, who lives in the barn directly to our right. Now that was all well and good. Chalky was a nice healthy male, Sheba was a nice healthy female. We kept our fingers crossed. So he generally does a shuttle service. If, yes, we're on a nice sort of Scottish moorland or up in the Derbyshire Peaks or whatever, throw Chalky off a cliff, he does brilliant flying. He has done it, because in fact, you might have seen him on telly or even if he's concentrating on their breeding. We have now got a couple on flying duty. But Chalky, you see, so he's got a bit of a complex because they keep calling him a golden eagle, and he's not. He's an African tawny eagle. If you've had a wander around, you might have seen that some of our other tawny eagles are in India and Africa. The African ones tend to be sort of chestnutty orange. The Indian ones tend to be lighter brown, perhaps even grey, you could call them. And all it is a different sort of... hands up, we thought we'd got Thumper in the box. We've had so many complaints about this. Right, now Chalky's got the money, and you can see there was a piece of beef on there. But whereas with the falcon, well, don't eat it. Whereas the falcon, you can do a swap. Eagles don't do that. They don't give food away. So what I have to do, before he wrecks the stuffing again, for a minute, and the next bird will also fly down by himself as soon as I've got hold of him. Symbolic of the British countryside. So it is a bit of a shame that they're not doing too well in Britain at the moment, and like most animals around the world, is human beings. Mankind's fault. They can't really see very well in the audience booth. It's in the buildings, the old barn. Within a week, a barn owl moved it. But now it's still the main reason barn owls are dying out. Going from. Look, it's the end of the film, so come away. We're in Gloucestershire. Very pleased to say her mother and father are still with us. They're in the barn across there. And again, we can't really show you the best vulture flying we can, because what we'd be is somewhere warmer or more mountainous, where to lift to get high. So Gary's on the front lawn. Einsteinium probably is the youngster. We're going to take off, love. Your own time. When you're ready, clear for takeoff. Thank you. Flies up into the tree. You're meant to fly to the front lawn, love. She says, yes, but I haven't over the last couple